deliver the vote of thanks.
The dais, speakers, and fellow delegates. I, Dr. Archana Tandon, Organizing Secretary of IMA Medicon 2014, on behalf of the Organizing Committee, extend my heartfelt gratitude for accepting our invitation and blessing us with your gracious presence. My words carry malice towards none and are meant to convey feelings on a lighter note. Happiness is the highest satisfaction. I feel proud to be a member of this female brigade. I thank our association for creating a milestone in the history of IMA by giving the reins of IMA in the hands of a lesser privileged, but in no way the lesser able gender. As I mentioned about the female brigade, I cannot help in sharing an incident. It was this very same place that when we were planning for the dais sitting arrangements that Dr. Vijay Agarwal, our chairman, and Dr. Archana said, Dr. Archana, we'll have a short inauguration. Just 5-6 chairs are needed here on the dais. And I said, Sir, फिर तो आप कृष्ण कन्हैया हो जाओगे, sitting amongst all the females. And he got so afraid of being labeled as Krishna Kanhaiya that he had to call dignitaries from the state and national stage to his rescue and grace and share the stage with him. So, as I say these lines, at the back of my mind is running the sad state of affairs of India. As you must have seen in real life and in media, women in India continue to face atrocities such as rape, acid throwing, dowry killings, decreasing female sex ratio, and forced prostitution. According to global poll, India is the 4th most dangerous country in the world for women. And with one woman dying every few minutes of childbirth and many more suffering sexual abuse and domestic violence every minute of the day, somewhere in the world, we as primary healthcare physicians really need to do much more. Apart from the issue of women, everything is not gloomy in this medical world. It is indeed the greatest achievement of medical science that after smallpox, world has been declared polio-free on 15 January 2014. And the day is not far off when it will be declared HIV-free. Someone said the other day that CMEs for a local branch is not as important as organizing state events. And so we converted the CME to a state event with all the dignitaries from the state with us. Thank you, sir. IMA is the national organization of doctors with modern scientific system of medicine whose main objective is promotion and advancement of medical and all related sciences and improvement of medical education in India, as Dr. Sharad Jain said. Annual CMEs for continued medical education forms one of the most important events of all IMA branches. As organizing secretary, I took up organizing this CME as my dream project for the year. I have tried my best for organizing, assimilating, disseminating information within the organization as well as outside it. The ever-increasing number of IMA members due to the increase in the specialities and super specialities of medicine has compelled us to increase the number of deliberations. To give the CME the national resemblance, I thought of holding the CME in 4 halls, with each hall running a topic on gynecological, surgical, medical and other fields. Though we did not succeed in running it in 4 halls, but for the first time in our local IMA history, we did succeed in running 2 parallel sessions in 2 halls to accommodate 11 speakers. And partial success is success achieved. So from back to covering new horizons in patient care, we have got a bouquet of topics on newer emerging fields, surrogacy, future of cardiac surgery, and recent advances in the coronary intervention being some. As we pondered on for the venue, we could think of no better place than this venue, spaces to meet our requirements. With this brief account on how we proceeded with our vision for CME, I now come to Nawazish Karam Shukriya Meherbani Part. First and foremost, the Almighty for His grace, my parents for the cradle of love and simplicity and disciplined teachings, Dr. J.P. Tandon, my spouse for letting me, also the person who encouraged me and guided me in selecting the theme for the CME. He's the person who kept the whole team grounded while our heads were in clouds by his timely suggestions. अंदाज कुछ अलग है मेरे सोचने का कि सबको मंजिल का है शौक और मुझे है रास्तों का. Thank you, Dr. Archana Agarwal and Dr. Vijay Agarwal for providing me this pathway in the IMA as organizing secretary for organizing this conference. Thank you. इस पर एक किस्सा रहा था. एक आदमी छपाक से पानी में कूदा, उस बच्चे को बचाकर ले आया किनारे पे. उसकी वाह वाह होने लगी. उस आदमी ने पूछा, पहले ये बताओ मुझे धक्का किसने दिया. कुछ ऐसी स्थिति मेरी है. डॉक्टर विजय अग्रवाल, डॉक्टर अर्चना अग्रवाल ने मुझे धक्का तो दे दिया क्योंकि उन्हें मेरे ऊपर ज्यादा विश्वास था, पर मुझे अपने ऊपर नहीं था. थैंक यू. Let me valuable inputs from all the executive board members and members of various committees of the CME and the office bearers of IMA, only due to which this activity was possible. I thank all the keynote speakers for finding time in the busy schedule to join us and share the inspiring and thought-provoking perspectives on advances in medical science. The high quality of presentations that are to follow reflect the skill, expertise, and passion that abounds the highest education sector. A special tribute to Dr. Shivani Sachdev Gaur for a friendly acceptance of our invitation in spite of her prior engagements and ensuring her friend's success in her first endeavor as organizing secretary. For all the delegates present, I blow a thunderous thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you especially to you lovely ladies dressed up in lovely dresses who brought glamour to in your sparkling outfits, who have brought a level of class to the occasion that has made me wish for many more sessions and mementos so that we could invite all of you here on the stage to give these mementos. We extend our thanks to all sponsors, exhibitors for their invaluable contribution and support for the CME. A special thanks to Hotel Holiday Regency, management and staff for warm hospitality, Sudha Sounds for perfect audio-visual system, Bablum for aesthetic backdrop, Tiranga Tent House for ornamental flower arrangement, and Sultan Printers for exquisite printing. I'm also thankful to a few I'm not naming here, but who were always here when we needed them for that extra bit of timely assistance that keeps the things going on an even keel despite the last minute hitches. Earlier, the reason for my oblivion and now the reason for my taking up this responsibility and academic challenge, my children, Arjun and Anuja, my list would be incomplete if I don't thank you. I hope you all will enjoy this extravaganza, the scientific sessions, the various interactions both inside and outside the hall at IMA Medicon 2014. I wish you all to pose questions. As someone commented that you know that the CME was a great success when the question-answer session carries on long after the stainless steel food trays have been opened up. Whatever best we have done by expanding our capabilities, I'm sure there could have still been some lacunae. We assure you that the same will be taken care of in the next CME. A CME like this has to be seen in its entirety. At the end, I would like to give credit for all my success to one and all standing behind the conference as rocks, and any blame or failure should come to my credit, as I decided to take up the responsibility on my shoulders. After all, only those who make efforts can fail or dream of success. Goodbye to you from this dais as we proceed to the scientific session from here on with a commitment for many more milestones. Keep getting till the next annual CME of IIM Moradabad. और अंत में एक शेर, खुशी भले ही थोड़ी सी, खुशी भले ही थोड़ी सी, पर देने के लिए शुक्रिया कि पैगाम पर हमारे आपने ये महफिल सवारी। थैंक यू।